Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to undo a left swipe on Tinder using your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your main screen, this is where you will see all the profiles to like or pass. Next, look for the rewind button. It's a circular arrow icon at the bottom screen. This button lets you undo your last swipe. Then tap the rewind button to undo the swipe. Profile will accidentally swipe left on will appear again, so you can swipe right this time if you like. The rewind feature is a part of Tinder Plus, Gold or Platinum. If you don't have a subscription, you won't see the button, but you can still be careful while swiping to avoid mistakes. Finally, swipe carefully to enjoy. Once you have undone the left swipe, continue browsing profiles and matching with people you like. This keeps your Tinder experience smooth. And that's it. That's how you undo a left swipe on a Tinder using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.